Oh. Hey! I was afraid. I thought this was a dog. Rosa, hey! Oh. Oh.
You went under.
Yeah. Hey. Let's go, Rocky. Oh. Hey, you crazy doggies. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Tucker. Let's go, Rosa. Yeah, there you go, girl.
Can I just push her in?
No. They might bite you. Let's go, Tucker. Woo! Goodbye. Let's go. Let's go, Gracie. Go, Gracie. Let's go, Rosa. Don't be such a weenie.
Come on, Rosa.
Go, Gracie. Gracie's about to go, but she's terrified, it seems. Go, Gracie. Go, Gracie. Yeah. Gah.
Rosa, go ahead.
Come on.
Go, Rosa.
Good girl. Good girl.
Yay. Go, Rosa. Woo! Go, Gracie. Let's go, girl. She's afraid now.
Tucker.
Tucker, yeah, come in.
Rosa.
Rosa.
Swim to the other side.
Yeah, Rosa, not the other way.
Girl, come on. Go on.
Oh, Gracie.
Cross.
Oh, gosh. It's amazing.
Ready to go. Oh.
Rosa,
Rosa.
get back. Let's go. Let's go, Peachy. Oh gosh, I'm so afraid of these stones, Paigey. Hey everybody!
Rosa's back in.
Rosa, let's go, girl! Oh, Tucker, be careful. Yay, big boy, huh?
Come on, Gracie. This way.
Rosa, hey, come here, Rosa.
Come here. Come on.
Rosa, no,
Rosa.
Rosa.
Is she afraid?
Yeah, I think she's afraid.
Rosa needs help. Rosa needs help.
Let's go, fit girl. Oh, she's way too heavy. Rosa,
Go.
let's go, Gracie. Come on, great girl. Ah, shit. Yay! Hey, Nemo. Let's go, Nemo. Rosa, come here, girl. Are you afraid? Yeah. Rosa. Rosa. Oh, Nemo. Let's go. Let's go. She's getting back. Like everybody's watching the kids, the dogs. I mean.
Rosa.
Rosa, come in. Rocky. Ew. Big boy, huh?
Rosa.
Oh.
Rosa.
Oh. Yeah, he got her. It's okay now. Gracie! Hey, girl! Tucker, be careful! Oh, Tucker fell. Oh, she's crying. Let's go, Rosa! Good girl. Good girl. Ouch! No.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, we're going swimming. Go girl. Go girl. Come on. Come on.